In front of me is Black Shark 5, and let me show you how to clear browsing data on this device. So first of all, you have to open the browser that you are using. In my case, it is Google Chrome. Then tap on More icon and select History. Here, just tap on Clear Browsing Data, and now personalize it. So here we've got basic and advanced options. Just mark those that you would like to remove. And for example, if you wish to leave something, just unmark the switcher. But let me mark everything, and then select the time range at the top of the list. So we can remove data from past hour, past day, 7 days, 4 weeks, or even from the beginning of time. And I will choose all the time, actually all time. Then tap on Clear Data, select Clear, and that's it. As you can see, there's no longer history here. That would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave a thumbs up.